Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Wolf III with Disability Resolution PA. Let's get right to the question. Question 100 of the top 200 Social Security Disability hearing questions. Laundry. How many days of clothing do you let pile up before the laundry gets done? That's not the question you'll hear in there. You'll hear in there, do you have any difficulty with laundry? And the way you'll actually hear it will be, do you have any difficulty with cooking, cleaning, laundry, or paying bills? Yeah, it's just that quick and just that fast. So this is like a training question. How many days of clothing do you let pile up before the laundry gets done? Shows procrastination, shows inability to have the excitement to do the laundry, you're depressed. Shows that maybe you're not able to move most days because you're physically in bad shape. Shows difficulty with then you get into the mechanics of it, lifting, the laundry into the thing, having to do larger loads, etc. So this is one of the questions that you'll get in the Social Security Disability hearing in the form of, do you have any difficulty with laundry? I like this one. How many days of clothing do you let pile up before the laundry gets done? Okay. If you have any questions, you want more information on, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call. And then we will go from there. Also, like, subscribe, and leave 5-star reviews if this video helped you. Also, if you want the most information, you can always catch up with me live 8 to 10 every Thursday Eastern Standard Time on YouTube, and we'll go through whatever you want. Okay, I'll catch you a little bit later. We'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye bye.